Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to perform a sectional mock test of the reading section. So if you are planning your exam in the February, then you must have to go through this sectional mock test of the reading section, and these are the modules which are contributing in the reading section. Read aloud, then this is from writing section, this is from reading section, and this is from the listening section. So all of the modules which are contributing in the PTE's reading section are covered in this test. So just keep your pen and paper ready along with this video. So let's start the test. So this is read aloud. You will get 35 seconds for the preparation. So this is the first question. Mass trendings of whales are a recurring issue in Australia and New Zealand. In recent years, multiple events have highlighted the severity of this problem. For instance, in April 2024, around 160 pilot whales stranded on a Western Australian beach, prompting a significant rescue operation by marine biologists and wildlife officers. Mass strandings of whales are a recurring issue in Australia and New Zealand. In recent years, multiple events have highlighted the severity of this problem. For instance, in April 2024, around 160 pilot whales stranded on a Western Australian beach, prompting a significant rescue operation by marine biologists and wildlife officers. So this is the second question. You will get total 30 questions of the reading section. There are various explanations for volcano behavior before the structure of the Earth's mantle as a semi-solid material was developed. For decades, awareness that compression and radioactive materials may be heat sources were discounted, and volcanic action was often attributed to chemical reactions and a thin layer of molten rock near the surface. I am performing this mock test on the Alpha PTE. There are various explanations for volcano behavior before the structure of the Earth's mantle as a semi-solid material was developed. For decades, awareness that compression and radioactive materials may be heat sources was discounted, and volcanic action was often attributed to chemical reactions and a thin layer of molten rock near the surface. The training of an actor is an intensive process that requires curiosity, courage, and commitment. You will learn how to prepare for rehearsal, how to rehearse, and how to use independent and proactive processes that inform you to do the best work possible for both stage and screen. So try to speak in your natural tone during the preparation time also. The training of an actor is an intensive process that requires curiosity, courage, and commitment. You will learn how to prepare for rehearsal, how to rehearse, and how to use independent and proactive processes that inform you to do the best work possible for both stage and screen. Yellow is considered the most optimistic color, yet surprisingly people lose their tempers most often in yellow rooms and babies cry more in them. The reason may be that yellow is the hardest color on the eye. On the other hand, it speeds metabolism and enhances concentration. Think of yellow legal pads and post-it notes. Yellow is considered the most optimistic color, yet surprisingly, people lose their tempers most often in yellow rooms and babies cry more in them. The reason may be that yellow is the hardest color on the eye. On the other hand, it speeds metabolism and enhances concentration. Think of yellow legal pads and post-it notes. Imagine living all your life as the only family on your street, then one morning you open the front door and discover houses all around you. You see neighbors tending their gardens and children walking to school. Where did all the people come from? What if the answer turned out to be that they had always been there, you just hadn't seen them? Imagine living all your life as the only family on your street, then one morning you open the front door and discover houses all around you. You see neighbors tending their gardens and children walking to school. Where did all the people come from? What if the answer turned out to be that they had always been there, you just hadn't seen them? The emergence of information technology has created new products, processes, and distribution systems. New products include the computer, the internet, and digital TV. New processes include internet banking, automated inventory control, and automated teller machines. And new distribution systems include cable and satellite TV. So always take the necessary pauses. You can take the pause and read aloud also. The emergence of information technology has created new products, processes, and distribution systems. New products include the computer, the internet, and digital TV. New processes include internet banking, automated inventory control, and automated teller machines. And new distribution systems include cable and satellite TV. We understand the importance of supporting and restoring biodiversity, and we are teaming up with the world's leading molecular biologist, technologist, conservation biologist. So, all the words with the S. Conservation organizations, ethicists, and thought leader to call for intended consequences to help us safely use all of the available tools that can provide the advantage we need to turn the tide on species loss. We understand the importance of supporting and restoring biodiversity, and we are teaming up with the world's leading molecular biologist, technologist, conservation biologist, conservation organization, ethicists, and thought leaders to call for intended consequences to help us safely use all of the available tools that can provide the advantage we need to turn the tide on species loss. So next question is the summarize written text. So you have to write within the words limit like 50 to 70 words, and the time is only 10 minutes. You will get 10 minutes, and you can also get 1 to 2 questions in the final PT exam. So let's start our answer. So this is the first line, and you can say this is the second line, and this is the third line. So I'm starting from here. You can start from the first line, but I am not sure about the first line. So I am starting from this line 200 years later. So first I will start with the although. I am using a connector although. So check your spellings of although, then put a question, sorry, comma, then give a space 200 years later, comma, mainstream agronomist and dietitians have caught up with the poet, caught up with the poet, semicolon. I'm using connector but then comma, give a space. So I'm using second line, matlab I'm using the next line from here. A growing scientific consensus agrees that feeding cereals and beans to animals in an efficient way. I'm not using this and extravagant way to produce human food. Hence, next connector is hence governments have successfully persuaded people to quit smoking through a combination of public information, regulation, and taxation. So full stop. So here we have 54 words. So let's check the spellings. Although 200 years later, mainstream agronomists and dietitians have caught up with the poet, but a growing scientific consensus agrees that feeding cereals and beans to animals in an efficient way to produce human food. Hence, governments have successfully persuaded people to quit smoking through a combination of public information, regulation, and taxation. So here we have 54 words. So let's click on the next button. So after that, you will get the questions from the reading and writing, filling the blanks, particularly from the reading section. So let's check the answers. The ocean floor is home to many unique communities of plants and animals. So the speaker is talking about the ocean floor. So most of these marine ecosystems are near the water surface. He is talking about the marine ecosystem that is near to the water surface, such as Great Barrier Reef, a 2,000 kilometer long coral dash of the. So this मतलब you can say कि the in the paragraph the marine ecosystem near the water surface. So it means कि this is coral. So coral reef you can say, but here we have no coral reef. It means here we can say कि we can see from here also कि it is a coral reef like all complex living communities. So it means it is the formation of the coral reef. So you can say कि we will use formation because it's not a reality or the structure. So the relatively shallow penetration of solar energy and the sinking of cold subpolar water combine to make most of the deep ocean floor a dash environment. So it's a versatile environment, frigid, warm and perfect. So versatile होता है कि जिसमें बहुत सारा आप किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा उसमें लेके चल रहे हो. और if you will talk about the frigid, then it means it's a cold environment. Then warm गर्म हो गया and perfect हो गया. But it is talking about the make most of the deep ocean floor. So deep ocean floor mean it is a frigid, or you can say cold with the life forms. Next, this exciting discovery was not really a dash, surprise, discovery, shock, or the climax. But we can find the answer in the next line. Scientists had predicted that had not springs should be found at the active spreading centers along the mid-oceanic ridges. So it means it is not really a surprise because जो scientists थे वो already इस चीज को predict कर चुके हैं कि should be found at these activities. So it is not really a surprise. You can say shock तो नहीं बोल सकते, but you will take here it is surprise. So presumably being erupted to new oceanic crust more exciting because it was totally perfect, undermine, unexpected या predictable. because they already predicted, and this is the temperature over this oceanic crust. So most exciting because it was totally, तो ये चीज exciting है क्योंकि ये हमें पहले नहीं पता थी. So पहले नहीं पता थी means ये unexpected थी जो अभी हो रही है. Undermine नहीं कर सकते उसको, predict नहीं हुआ था वो चीज, so unexpected थी. Giant tube worms, huge calms, and this that around the hot springs. So it means struggling, died, thrived, exist. So it means कि वहाँ पे abundant और sea life है, worms हैं, huge clams and this one. So it means here it is thrived, means the success you can say. So this is too much lengthy. So we can start from this line with poor English skill, research by Monash University academic. This third international students are graduating with the competent level of English. So you can say that this is the paragraph about the English competent level of English. But this one Australian University only enroll international students once they have achieved international standards of language. So if they are talking about the English language, means this is a competent level of English, means कि student जो है उनकी जो English proficiency है, it should be good. So it means it's a proficiency test like the PTE. So this has been extraordinary attack by Professor this, our university, she said. So international students must meet international dash. जो इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स के साथ मीट करना चाहिए या बेंचमार्क्स के साथ मीट करना चाहिए. सो अगर आप आगे वाली लाइन में देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड है. सो इट मीन्स कि यू मस्ट मीट इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड और बेंचमार्क्स. बट अगर आप कोई चीज़ बना रहे हो कि ये मेरा बेंचमार्क है तो आपको उस चीज़ को सेटअप करना है. तो इट मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट इज़ बेंचमार्क्स, बट वी विल चेक द आंसर्स लेटर. And they can't get into university reaching that international standard. So वो उस तक नहीं पहुंच सकते, उस यूनिवर्सिटी तक नहीं पहुंच सकते अगर वो उस टेस्ट को क्लियर नहीं करते हैं. तो विदाउट रीचिंग, सो इट मीन्स अगर वो वहां पे नहीं पहुंचते हैं तो विदाउट रीचिंग द इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड, थ्रू नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. Next is there are of course intercultural difficulties as well, language difficulty he said. Course also many Australian students who don't speak such dash good English. यूजुअली आमतौर पे हो गया फैंटास्टिकली बहुत अच्छी तरह से, ग्रेटली या ड्रामेटिकली. तो यूजली नहीं आएगा, ग्रेटली भी नहीं आएगा, तो ड्रामेटिकली तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आ सकता. फैंटास्टिकली मतलब दे आर एनफ गुड इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. सो हियर इट इज फैंटास्टिकली. Next is, she said, I have not seen any dash to back that up. So excuse, support, reason या evidence. So we will check the next line. International education is one of our larger export. So this is interest of our high standard because their standard fame recognition achievement is at stake. So उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे अभी तक ऐसा कुछ मिला नहीं है कि दे आर फेलिंग इन इंग्लिश येट दे आर बीइंग पास्ड बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी. वो इंग्लिश में फेल हैं बट उन्होंने यूनिवर्सिटी में पास कर लिया है. सो इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ एविडेंस. सो यू विल check your answers as well. Next question. Comparing the intelligence of animals of different species is difficult. So it is about the intelligence comparison. So how do you will compare a dolphin and a horse? मतलब आप dolphin और horse को कैसे compare कर सकते हो? Psychologists have a technique for looking at intelligence. जो psychologist हैं उनके पास technique है, वो intelligence को किस तरह से देखते हैं. तो वो चीज़ रिक्वायर नहीं करती कॉपरेशन ऑफ द एनिमल्स इन्वॉल्व. सो इट मीन्स कि आपके पास डन तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि नॉट लगा है. डन नॉट कभी भी नहीं आता. डू डिड डज में से कोई भी आ सकता है. बट इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट डू, यू कंपेयर, मतलब इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस, हैव है फॉर लुकिंग एट इंटेलिजेंस. तो इट मीन्स ये एनिमल्स की बात कर रहा है तो यहाँ पे डज नॉट आएगा, आपने डू नॉट नहीं लगाना क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल डू दिस मिस्टेक ऑल्सो. The relative size of this brain is reasonable indication of intelligence. Comparing species is not as simple. Comparing across species या through species. To या over का यहाँ पे कोई भी preposition नहीं बनता है. आप सभी species को compare कर रहे हो तो it means it is across species. have a larger brain than a human simply because it is a large beast. We use the cephalization index instead because या otherwise. तो this is the one reason. But उसकी जगह पे हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी जगह पे यूज कर रहे हैं, it means it's a instead, which compare the size of this. Based on this index, the brightest animals on the planet are human. तो अगर हम इस इंडेक्स को देखते हैं तो जो ब्राइटेस्ट एनिमल है प्लेनेट पे वो ह्यूमन है, बाय ग्रेट एप्स फॉलोड बाय, फॉलो बिकॉज सबका मीनिंग एक है बट इसकी जो वर्ब है जो ग्रामेटिकल है इट इज मेकिंग सम डिफरेंस, बट ऐसा इतने टाइम से चला आ रहा है तो देन इट मीन्स फॉलोड बाय. एंड एलिफेंट एज अ जर्नल. सो जर्नल क्या होगा यहाँ पे, थ्योरी होगी, प्रिंसिपल होगा या रूल होगा. सो जर्नली हमारे पास क्या होता है, रूल होता है, प्रिंसिपल नहीं होता क्योंकि आगे वो इस रूल की बात कर रहा है. स्ट्रिक्ट वेजिटेरियंस, एनिमल्स दैट लिव इन दिस. सो जर्नल रूल नॉट अ प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. It is important to dash the need for hard work. So as an essential part of studying law, मतलब they are talking about the law because far too many students are tempted to think. So it is important to emphasize, मतलब आपने उस चीज पे फोकस करना है, तो फोकस करना है, it means emphasize करना है. Relying on what they imagine to be their natural ability without bothering to add the dash of effort means आपने उस पे ज्यादा खर्चा नहीं करना, उस विदाउट bothering to add the dash of the effort, expenditures या employment. So it is expenditure. To take an analogy, some people prefer the more or less instant gratification, excitement, satisfaction या enjoyment which comes from watching television. So gratification होता है pleasure, excitement होता है आपको किसी चीज की बहुत खुशी हो रही है, enjoyment होता है आप enjoy कर रहे हो, तो इट मीन्स आपको बहुत सुकून मिल रहा है. सो इफ यू आर लाइक सुकून मिल रहा है देन इट्स अ ग्रेटिफिकेशन. तो वो कहाँ से आती है ग्रेटिफिकेशन, प्लेजर कहाँ से आता है, अडेप्टेशन ऑफ अ क्लासिक नॉवल टू रेदर मोर डैश प्रोसेस ऑफ रीडिंग द नॉवल इटसेल्फ. सो इट मीन्स आप किसी चीज को देख रहे हो बट उसको खुद पढ़ रहे हो, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज मोर डिफिकल्ट. सो इफ इट इज अ मोर डिफिकल्ट देन इट इज अ लेबोरियस प्रोसेस. लेबोरियस मीन्स यू आर डूइंग समथिंग इन वास्ट. Those who dash watching television, जो प्रेफर करते हैं, इंजॉय करते हैं या इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं, तो जो प्रेफर करेंगे वॉचिंग टेलीविजन टू रीड द बुक आर लेस लाइकली टू स्टडी लॉ, मतलब जो ऐसा करते हैं वो लॉ को कम ही पढ़ सकते हैं. इट मीन्स इट्स अ प्रेफर. दे रैपिडली एक्वायर अ डैश knowledge, idea, motivation या taste for text based material, because if you are liking something then it is your taste. So these are the answers for this particular question. You have probably noticed that dash t-shirts shrink more after a workout compared to the cotton. So this is talking about the cloth material. So one is the cotton. So cotton का अगर हम opposite लेते हैं तो वो material कौन सा होता है हमारा, synthetic. But hey, it's not the fabric fault because synthetic is a fabric, cotton is a fabric. It's the microbes that hang out on the synthetic. So you can also find out the answer here, that create that stench. तो ये एक मटेरियल होता है जिसकी वो करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. तो यहाँ पे अल्फाबेटिक, फिजिक, पैरामेडिक और करेक्टरिस्टिक ही ऐसा वर्ड है क्योंकि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लोथ्स. तो दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द क्लोथ्स. 26 volunteers, half men, half women, worked out for this. They did so outfitted with t-shirts of cotton, dash or a cotton synthetic blend. मतलब उन्होंने या तो कॉटन का डाला हुआ था या इनमें से कोई डाला हुआ था. तो कॉटन नहीं है या सिंथेटिक है तो दूसरा क्या हो सकता है, अगर कॉटन के साथ कंपेयर करें हम, पॉलिएस्टर, क्योंकि यहाँ पे उसने लिखा हुआ है पॉलिएस्टर शर्ट. सो फ्रॉम दिस यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर हेयर, और इसका जो आंसर है वो यहाँ पे मिल रहा है आपको. नेक्स्ट, डीएनए एनालिसिस रिवील्ड दैट माइक्रोकियस वाज टू ब्लेम, बैक्टीरिया, सिलेटर, कंपेडिया या कमेलियर. सो अगर हम इनकी बात कर रहे हैं तो इट मीन्स कि उसी चीज के जो मटेरियल है उसी के जो है वो हमारे पास फैब्रिक्स हैं. तो इसका क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, बैक्टीरिया. These findings might just explain one of these questions of adolescence. Stinky shirt smell, this body odor in the armpits, It could be because your favorite shirt has a microbiome of its own. So why this smell and themselves? But we can check from here, but we don't have any options of microbiome. Next question. One thing is certain, most people do not get enough exercise. So एक ऐसी चीज है कि जो most of the people है they don't get enough exercise in their dash routine. So it's a simple daily routines. All of the advances of modern technology from dash car opener to power steering. So कौन से कार ओपनर्स आ रहे हैं हमारे पास? इलेक्ट्रिक कार ओपनर्स, जो हमारी लाइफ को क्या कर रहे हैं? इजी कर रहे हैं, कंफर्टेबल कर रहे हैं एंड मच लेस फिजिकल. हमें ज़्यादा फिजिकल एफर्ट्स भी नहीं करने पड़ते. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एफर्ट्स वर्ड नहीं है बट फिजिकल डिमांडिंग वर्ड है. सो इट मीन्स फिजिकल डिमांडिंग. Yet our bodies need activity, especially if they are carrying around too dash fat. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा फैट है, so too much, क्योंकि too TOO के साथ several, many और few कभी भी नहीं आता, so too much. Next question. So this is the reorder paragraph. So if you will talk about, this is the first sentence, the takeover battle raged for 6 months. So this is it was taken over by the Mittal. So it was means it जो हमारा है वो कहीं पे भी पड़ा हो सकता है. अब next है the story tells us two things about this. तो second more importantly and first this. So if you will make a correct sequence then you can easily get the score. So this is the first sequence. The story tells us two things about European business, both positive. So the first thing it is, this is the first thing, and this is the second and more importantly this thing. So these three are in the sequence. So if you are making these sequence is correct, then you will get 2 points. So what about these two sequence? So let's check it. It was taken over by the Mittal. This company run from London by its biggest single shareholder, Lakshmi Mittal, an Indian who started his first business in Indonesia. The takeover battle is this for this shareholder who wanted the board to accept Mittal's third offer. So I think according to me this is the first, because इसमें वो बैटल की बात कर रहा है, उसमें कुछ शेयर होल्डर्स की बात हो रही है, who started his business, और I think this is the second. So according to me, this is the sequence. This sequence is correct. I am 100% sure, but I am not sure about this. But according to me, this is making a sense because this is the started, क्योंकि first business. So this is the first business, but here it is third offer. So I think this is the sequence. So we will check answer later. Next question. But with the opportunities come responsibility. So this is the connector. We live in an age of unprecedented opportunity. With ambition, drive and talent, you can rise to the top of your chosen profession. That means it's up to you to crave out your place in the world. Instead, you must be your own chief executive officer. Companies today are not managing their knowledge of working careers. So दैट मीन्स, सो इसका जो मीनिंग है वो कहीं और पे पड़ा हुआ है. इंस्टेड मतलब इसके बावजूद. सो ये दोनों तो नहीं हो सकते फर्स्ट, और ये भी नहीं हो सकता. सो लेट्स check about these two. We live in the age of this opportunity, this and the top of your chosen profession. So companies today are not managing their knowledge. So I am taking this sentence as the independent sentence. Now, but now in this sentence, this or मतलब you can say कि paragraph is about the opportunity. So opportunity क्या हो सकती है? ambition, drive and talent. You can rise to the top of your chosen profession regardless कि कहाँ से आपने शुरू करा था. But उसने बोला कि जो हर opportunity है वो एक responsibility के साथ आती है. Clear? और next है its responsibility. So its companies today are not managing their knowledge. Instead, you must be your own chief executive. So it means this is making a sense कि कंपनीज जो हैं वो खुद से मैनेज नहीं कर रही हैं, तो इंस्टेड वो आप खुद भी अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हो. तो इट मीन्स ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. सो दिस इज मेकिंग अ सेंस कि हम एक अनप्रेसिडेंटेड अपॉर्चुनिटीज के वर्ल्ड में रहते हैं, बट हर अपॉर्चुनिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ आती है. जो कंपनीज हैं वो इतनी अच्छी तरह से आपकी नॉलेज को, वर्किंग करियर को मैनेज नहीं कर रही हैं, सो आप अपना खुद का काम भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. सो इट्स अप टू योर क्रेव दैट यू प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड एंड नॉलेज दिस वन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. This is often driven by the differences in pressure around 1 billion people around the world than wind in the valleys. So I am starting from here, around 1 billion people. अब उसमें जो 1 बिलियन पीपल है उसमें उसने वाटर रिसोर्सेज की बात करी है, तो वो वाटर रिसोर्सेज कहाँ से कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, यहाँ से. एट्रीब्यूटेबल टू द रेनफॉल एंड मेल्टिंग ऑफ स्नो एंड द आइस. सो नेक्स्ट है, दिस इज ऑफन ड्रिवन बाय around the world. The wind in the valleys play important role in this and to under wind is crucial. So जो इस सेंटेंस का रीजन है वो इस सेंटेंस में गिवन है. यहाँ पे उसने मेल्टिंग ऑफ स्नो की बात करी है, तो मेल्टिंग ऑफ स्नो क्यों हो रही है वो यहाँ पे उसने हमें बताया है. सो अराउंड द वर्ल्ड दिस इज ट्रेवल अप टू दिस, और ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ड्यू टू दी ड्रिवन इन दी प्रेशर. So this is one response MCQ single answer. What is the right and conclusion about exercise? Physically weak, exercise at home is much better. Vigorous exercise may be performed safely. So we have less time. We have only half an hour, so we have to complete fast. So I am just checking the last lines. At least 2 miles a day, this exercise and much of this. Opposite of the no exercise should be taken. So I think after midlife without a physician advice. So I think with the guidance of a doctor. Next question. What is the writer main point about renewable energy pricing? This would to net consumer saving because of the highly competitive bids for wind and solar that on prices for new. So I think this is the correct option. So because they are just calculating something. Next, reading filling the blanks. In geologic terms, a plate is a large rigid slab for solid rock. The word tectonics comes from the Greek dash to build. So I will fill blanks जो जिसमें मैं श्योर हूँ. Putting these two words together, अगर दोनों words को इकट्ठा जोड़ते हैं, we will get the term plate tectonics. हमें tectonics मिलता है, which to how the earth surface is built of plates. So which refers या states. So I think which refers, जो हमें बताती है, रेफर करती है. The theory of plate tectonics that the earth outermost layer is. जो थ्योरी है वो हमें क्या करेगी, स्टेट करेगी. इज डैश इनटू अ डजन, मतलब डिवाइडेड भी हो सकता है, ब्रोकन वर्ड है यहाँ पे डिवाइडेड की जगह पे, या फ्रेगमेंटेड भी है. तो ब्रोकन तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि लेयर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, फ्रेगमेंटेड. एंड स्मॉल प्लेट्स दैट आर मूविंग डैश टू वन अनदर, जो एक दूसरे की उस तरह से घूमती हैं, रिलेटिव या रेलिवेंटली. सो रिलेटिव वर्ड ज्यादा सुटेबल है. तो यहाँ पे मैं लिख रही हूँ ग्रीक रूट. सो आई थिंक दीज आर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, फ्रॉम द ग्रीक रूट टू बिल्ड. और यहाँ पे आपके पास एस वाला आएगा विच रेफर्स, तो अगर एस की बात करें टॉक्स नहीं बनता यहाँ पे, तो रेफर्स आएगा स्टेट्स, फ्रेगमेंटेड एंड रिलेटिव. नेक्स्ट है द डॉ जोन्स इंडस्ट्रियल एवरेज रिपोर्ट्स द एवरेज स्टॉक प्राइस ऑफ लार्ज कंपनीज. It tends to dash the state of stock market as a whole through its name would dash. Expressed आएगा, indicate आएगा या lead आएगा. Is made up of only dash companies. Is made up of only contains stacks across industries. Not of all which are industrial. So इसका जो आंसर है वो यहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है. सारी इंडस्ट्रियल नहीं है. द बिजनेस डैश इंक्लूड, जो बिजनेस है उसमें ये सारी चीजें इंक्लूडेड हैं, तो इट मीन्स इट रिप्रेजेंटेड. इट टेंड्स टू डैश द स्टेट ऑफ द स्टॉक मार्केट. इट टेंड टू मतलब उस चीज को दर्शाता है. सो दर्शाता जो वर्ड है हिंदी में अगर हम बोलें तो इट रिफ्लेक्ट, तो इट्स नेम वुड डैश लीड नॉट एक्सप्रेस्ड, क्योंकि वुड ऑलरेडी सेकेंड फॉर्म है. सो आई थिंक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज रिफ्लेक्ट, लीड, इंडस्ट्रियल एंड द रिप्रेजेंटेड. In the past, making structures quake resistant meant, यहाँ पे resistant word है, meant form yet dash materials such as steel and wood that bend without breaking. So इसका जो आंसर है वो आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा, ये ऑलरेडी बहुत बार रिपीटेड हो चुका है ब्लैंक, जो हम बेंड कर सकते हैं बट वो ब्रेक नहीं होती, तो इट मीन्स उनकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, तो इट मीन्स इट इज फ्लेक्सिबल. उसके बाद उसने बोला है इंसर्ट रबर एंड स्टील बिटवीन द बिल्डिंग एंड इट्स फाउंडेशन टू डैश द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ ग्राउंड वाइब्रेशन. उसके जो इम्पैक्ट है उसको घटाता है, तो घटाता है मतलब रिड्यूस करता है. अब उसने बोला द मोस्ट डैश डिजाइंस गिव बिल्डिंग ब्रेन्स एज वेल एज कंक्रीट एंड स्टील सपोर्ट. तो जो अभी वाली बिल्डिंग है, अभी वाली बिल्डिंग जो है मतलब जो रीसेंट डिजाइन है, तो वो क्या करते हैं, स्टील सपोर्ट देते हैं, स्मार्ट बिल्डिंग्स देते हैं एंड अर्थक्वेक वाइब्रेशन. व्हेन द ग्राउंड शेक एंड द बिल्डिंग टिप्स फॉरवर्ड द कंप्यूटर वुड डैश द बिल्डिंग टू शिफ्ट इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. वो उसको फोर्स करेगा या अपोज करेगा? I think force. The new design should often even greater security. So these are the correct answers according to me. Materials कहाँ से पता चल रहा है, यहाँ से कि यहाँ पे फ्लेक्सिबल आएगा, तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी क्वेक रेजिस्टेंट है, तो मीन्स उनको वो कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, सिक्योरिटी. नेक्स्ट इज स्पेंडिंग टू मच टाइम इन द कंक्रीट जंगल इज बैड फॉर सिटी डैश. मतलब वो सिटी के लिए बुरा है, तो सिटी के लिए बुरा है इट मीन्स dwellers, let next check, could have potentially catastrophic for the environment. So potentially catastrophic का मीनिंग होता है हार्मफुल. सो हार्मफुल क्या होंगे हमारे पास, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज हो सकते हैं फॉर द इन्वायरमेंट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आगे जो वर्ड है वो फॉर है. कंजर्वेशन बायोलॉजिस्ट दिस आर्गू ड्यूरिंग अ सेमिनार एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिस, मतलब उसने ऐसा बताया है. लेक्चर इन बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन एट द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ क्वींसलैंड एंड CSIRO विल डैश द इफेक्ट, will explore the effect. The dash for the people. Opportunities. So यहाँ पे वो बता रहा है कि जो सिटी है उसकी हेल्थ के लिए कुछ इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पे कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होंगे इन्वायरमेंट के लिए, तो ये उसने बताया है आज के लेक्चर में, तो जिसमें वो एक्सप्लोर करेंगे विद एविडेंसेस. और अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो सकती हैं फॉर पीपल टू एक्सपीरियंस नेचर एंड डिक्लाइनिंग रैपिडली इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. Because of the instructional methods, expected class participation and the nature of the courses vary, no fixed number of absences is applicable to all circumstances या situation. No number all situation. Under circumstances अगर होता, यहाँ पे under होता, then we can say कि यहाँ पे circumstances आएगा. Each is responsible, each instructor is responsible for making clear to the class at the beginning of the semester in regard to class attendance and the reasons for them. So I think these are the correct options. What did the study find? You need to select more than one response. This is the first. Children are more likely to. So we will find out the answer here. There are three main findings. First, children are more likely to forgive someone if they apologized. If they apologized. So here is the first option. सेकंड दिया उसने, चिल्ड्रन आर मोर लाइकली टू forgive people who are in a group. थर्ड रीजन दिया है, द मोर एडवांस चाइल्ड थ्योरी ऑफ माइंड स्किल्स आर मोर लाइकली दे आर टू फॉरगिव अदर्स. माइंड स्किल लेस लाइकली इज टू फॉरगिव. सो लेस लाइकली तो नहीं है. सो आई थिंक बी एंड सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. यू कैन चेक द आंसर्स इन द लास्ट लाइन. इफ यू आर डूइंग right, then you will get points also in the reading section. Which of the following statement about the study is true? So we will check in the last. Content in this, examine the researchers report the diet affects dopamine and insulin. So dopamine. So this is the last. So this is highlight correct summary.
Spent an hour trying on all these damn jeans, and I walked out of the store, truth, with the best fitting jeans I had ever had. I did better. All this choice made it possible for me to do better. But I felt worse. The reason I felt worse is that with all of these options available, my expectations about how good a pair of jeans should be went up. I had I had no particular expectations when they only came in one flavor. When they came in 100 flavors, damn it, one of them should have been perfect. And what I got was good, but it wasn't perfect. And so I compared what I got to what I expected, and what I got was disappointing in comparison to what I expected. Adding options to people's lives can't help but increase the expectations people have about how good those options will be. And what that's going to produce is less satisfaction with results, even when they're good results.
So in highlight correct summary, as you can understand from the name of the question, कि you just have to highlight the correct summary. So you will find the summary in the end of the audio. So if you can hear the audio in a one way, then you can easily choose the answer. So this is the right option. Next question, highlight incorrect words.
It was a hot afternoon, and the railway carriage was correspondingly sultry. And the next stop was at Templecombe, nearly an hour ahead. The occupants of the carriage were a small girl, and a smaller girl, and a small boy. An aunt belonging to the children occupied one corner seat, and the further corner seat on the opposite side was occupied by a bachelor, who was a stranger to their party. But the small girls and the small boy emphatically occupied the compartment. Both the aunt and the children were conversational in a limited, persistent way, reminding one of the attentions of a housefly that refused to be discouraged. Most of the aunt's remarks seemed to begin with, "Don't," and nearly all of the children's remarks began with, "Why?" The bachelor said nothing out loud. "Don't, Cyril, don't!" exclaimed the aunt, as the small boy began smacking the cushions of the seat, producing a cloud of dust at each blow. Old Zelig was eyed askance by his brethren. No one deigned to call him Reb Zelig, nor to prefix to his name the American equivalent, Mr. "The old one is a barrel with a stave missing," knowingly declared his neighbors. "He never spends a cent, and he belongs nowheres." For to belong on New York's East Side is of no slight importance. It means being a member in one of the numberless congregations. Every decent Jew must join a society for burying its members, to be provided at least with a narrow cell at the end of the long road. Zelig was not even a member of one of these. "Alone like a stone," his wife often sighed. In the cloak shop where Zelig worked, he stood daily, brandishing his heavy iron on the sizzling cloth, hardly ever glancing about him.
So here it is the total score, and this is the score of the reading section, you can say. So from here you can also check the analytics. So this is the analytics. So this is read aloud, then summarize written text, reading and writing, reorder paragraphs, multiple choice, single answer, then reading filling the blanks, multiple choice, multiple, highlight correct summary, and the highlight incorrect words. So this is the score. You can also check your answers from here. So this is the score of the question wise, means these are the questions from the read aloud. Sometime it's very good score like 87 and 86. So we are going to check this question. So in speaking it's 87. So the score of the speaking section will based on the fluency and the pronunciation, and in reading it's 90, and the content of the reading section is contributing in content of the read aloud is contributing in the reading section. So this is all from my side. So this is the score of the summarized written text. So this is the score, and the summarized written text will evaluate on the basis of content, grammar, form, and the vocabulary range. So you have to manage your time as well as you have to manage your form. You have to write within the word limits, 50 to 70 words. So these are the questions from the reading and writing, filling the blanks, then reorder paragraph. So after that, this is reading filling the blanks. So this is from my side. So if you have any queries, then you can write in the comment box. You can also mail me amarpteclasses@gmail.com. So I am making these videos to all of you so that you can also go through different type of questions. You can also get some idea ki how you will get the questions, which type of questions you will get in the final PT exam. So if you are planning your exam in this month, then you must have to go this February predictions, and this is the test from the February predictions. So thank you to all of you to liking my videos. So don't forget to share my videos and watching my videos. Thank you so much.